Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best portable Bluetooth speaker in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Ultimate Ears Boom 3 Portable Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Night Black 7.2. Ultimate Ears Boom 3 is a super portable wireless speaker built for adventure. It rocks immersive 360 degrees sound with deep bass, all carefully balanced so you can hear every note. But Boom 3 also hangs tough. It's seriously waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof, which means you can bring vibes anywhere. From the desert festival to the pool party and everywhere in between. Plus, Boom 3 features the all-new magic button, so you can play, pause, and skip songs directly on the Bluetooth speaker. And it is wrapped in a stunning high-performance fabric that shimmers. The ultimate go-anywhere speaker just got more ultimate. Frequency range 90 Hz 20 kHz. Number 4. Sony SRS-XB100 Wireless Bluetooth Portable Lightweight Super Compact Travel Speaker. Extra durable IP67 waterproof and dustproof. 16-hour battery, versatile strap, and hands-free calling. Black new. Enjoy big sound with the super compact SRS-XB100 wireless speaker, offering powerful, clear sound and updated IP67 waterproof and dustproof design and up to 16 hours of battery life. Small enough to fit in a bag or cup holder, the XB100 also features a versatile strap to take with you wherever you go. Enjoy powerful, clear sound with a deep bass. Sound diffusion processor expands sound far and wide. Waterproof and dustproof. IP67 rated. Up to 16 hours of battery life with indicator. Compact portable design with versatile strap included. Compatible with a second speaker for stereo sound. Connect and stream music easily with Bluetooth. Number 3. Tribit StormBox Bluetooth Speaker. 24-EU portable speaker. 360 degrees surround sound. Enhanced bass. Wireless dual pairing. IPX7 waterproof. 20-hour playtime. 66 feet Bluetooth range outdoor wireless speaker. CNET's award. That calls it Best Portable Mini Bluetooth Speakers. 360 degrees immersive sound. Feel the music like never before with the Tribit Bluetooth speaker. This portable speaker pumps out crisp triple-detailed mids and resonating bass from wall to wall. It's an auditory experience that's truly unparalleled. Innovative X-Bass technology. Are you a fan of booming bass? We are too. Our exclusive X-Bass technology generates bass that'll fill the room and send shivers down your spine. Just press the X-Bass button to kick things up a notch. Completely waterproof, pool parties, a day at the beach, and even submersion. This Bluetooth speaker can handle it all. Advanced IPX7 waterproofing keeps the music flowing rain or shine, and can withstand up to 30 minutes in water 3 feet deep. Number 2. Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 2 Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Big Bass 360 sound. Waterproof, dustproof IP67, floatable, 100 at range, radical red. Surprisingly bigger 360 sound. Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 2 is a wireless Bluetooth speaker with surprisingly bigger 360 degree sound and additional bass. Mobile range, 30 meters, new outdoor boost. Push the outdoor boost button on this ultra-portable speaker to instantly increase loudness and clarity for outdoor listening. 13 hours battery. Powering 13 whopping hours of killer sound, the long-lasting battery sees you through day trips, beach detours, and biking adventures. Charge time, 2.6 hours, with PC1. Number 1. Victrola Respin Sustainable Suitcase Vinyl Record Player, 3-speed, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM. Belt-driven Bluetooth turntable with built-in bass radiator. 3.5mm headphone jack, red. Modern vinyl record player with a retro vibe. The Victrola Respin belt-driven suitcase turntable packs a custom-tuned Bluetooth speaker and a built-in bass radiator that delivers 3x bass respo cities than a standard SUITCAC record player. Take your 2NEs anywhere. Housed in a modern-style suitcase with an easy-carry handle, Victrola's blend of retro and contemporary design gives you the ultimate flexibility to listen to music where you want and how you want. A great choice for vinyl lovers. 3-speed TURNTABLE. Designed for a modern music lover, this 3-speed, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 revolutions per minute Victrola record player plays stunning quality music at increased volume and deep bass without losing clarity and precision.